Did you know when Oreos were first introduced in 1912? The original flavor was not the chocolate and cream combination we know today. Instead, the initial filling was lemon cream. It wasn't until 1916 that Nabisco introduced the chocolate and cream filling. Over time, various other flavors and limited editions have been introduced, making Oreos a versatile snack with a wide range of flavors to choose from. Oreo cookies are an iconic American snack, enjoyed by millions around the world. With their delightful combination of chocolate wafers and sweet cream filling, let's take a deep dive into the world of Oreos. The story of Oreo cookies begins in the early 20th century when they were first introduced to the world. In 1912, the National Biscuit Company, Nabisco, introduced these cookies to the American market. The original design featured a simple embossed pattern with the word Oreo on the chocolate-flavored wafer cookies. One of the most intriguing aspects of Oreos is the mystery surrounding the origin of their name. Some believe that Oreo may have been derived from the French word or, meaning gold, possibly referencing the early gold packaging. Others speculate that it could be a combination of the ray from cream and the two O's from chocolate. Regardless of its origin, the name Oreo has become synonymous with this beloved cookie. Oreo cookies underwent a significant transformation in the 1920s when they evolved into the iconic sandwich cookie format that we know today. The creation of Oreo cookies is a complex and precisely executed process that involves several steps, from sourcing raw materials to packaging the final product. Here is an overview of how these delectable cookies are made. The first step in the Oreo manufacturing process involves gathering the essential raw ingredients, including wheat flour, sugar, cocoa, vegetable oil, leavening agents, and flavorings. These high-quality ingredients are crucial to achieving the distinctive taste and texture of Oreo cookies. The dry ingredients, such as wheat flour, cocoa, and sugar, are combined and mixed with vegetable oil to create a dough. Water and leavening agents are added to this mixture to achieve the desired consistency. The dough is then rolled into thin sheets, ensuring uniformity in thickness. Afterward, it is cut into round shapes using a cookie cutter, creating the familiar circular wafers. The cut dough circles are baked in large ovens at precise temperatures and for specific durations. This baking process transforms the dough into the crispy chocolate wafers that form the outer layers of Oreo cookies. While the wafers are being baked, the cream filling is prepared. It involves blending ingredients like sugar, vegetable oil, and flavorings to create the sweet and creamy filling that Oreo enthusiasts adore. Once the wafers are fully baked and cool, they are paired in twos. A layer of the cream filling is applied to one wafer, and then the second wafer is gently pressed onto it, creating the classic Oreo sandwich. Quality control is an integral part of the Oreo production process. Cookies are inspected for uniformity, taste, and texture to ensure they meet the high standards of the brand. After passing quality control, the freshly baked and filled Oreo cookies are packaged in various size containers, from individual snack packs to family-size packages. The packaging not only protects the cookies, but also showcases the iconic design. One of the most distinctive features of Oreo cookies is the design imprinted on the chocolate wafers, known as the Oreo emboss. It consists of a pattern of concentric circles and a cross with 4 small rectangles. However, it's the cross that has sparked intrigue and even urban legends over the years. The cross on Oreo cookies has been referred to as the Devil's Cross. This led to various speculations and rumors about the origins and intentions behind this design element. Some claim that the cross was a hidden symbol with a sinister meaning, while others saw it as a playful design without any deeper significance. Nabisco states the design on the Oreo cookie is not just for aesthetics, it serves a practical purpose too. The classic embossed design with the concentric circles and the cross in the center is not only visually appealing, but also helps with the structural integrity of the cookie. The pattern allows for even distribution. It is a simple design that adds to the cookie's visual appeal and has no hidden messages or symbolism. Nabisco has confirmed this multiple times. Wait, I'm sorry, what? Nabisco thinks the devil's cross is visually appealing on the cookie and helps with aesthetics. Now, why is a devil's cross aesthetic? I don't know, guys. I'm going to be honest and say there's definitely a meaning behind the devil's cross on a cookie that has lasted over 100 years. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And as you enjoy your next Oreo cookie, take a moment to appreciate the careful craftsmanship and attention to detail that go into creating this beloved treat. And remember, the devil's cross is not just a simple, delightful decoration, but I'll let you speculate the true meaning. If you enjoyed this video, watch this next one on how sugar is made.